Sean, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi.
What can we do for you?
I've got a kind of a general question regarding child support.
Okay.
I was divorced fourth quarter of 2001, and since that time, my incomes remain, for the most part, static.
Yes.
And there's never been any change in child support over this period of time. Right now, the child is 14 and a half years old.
Yes.
And over the next year, based on a small business that I've kind of got going on the side, the next year probably would make a dramatic change in income.
So your income's about to go up?
Potentially, yes.
All right. So what's your question? What is your question for us?
My question is, after that long a period of time, is there anything I have to worry about for the child's mother to come back and demand part of that?
Well, did you start the business during your divorce? Or during your marriage?
No.
All right. So first of all, she has no right to claim any part of the value of that business. However, at any time she could go back to the friend of the court and ask for a redetermination of your income to determine if, in fact, it would justify an increase in child support. And that can be done at any time. However, if you would like to figure out for no charge what it could possibly turn out to be, call Matt Kachik at my office at 866-66-LAWYER during regular business hours, and he has the same program that the friend of the court will use to determine what will be your responsibility in the event you have this jump up in income. Okay? And
okay, but there is no limit on it, if even decades after the divorce is final.
Well, let's see, it's 2001, so it's not quite a decade, and it really has to do more with the age of your child and with the income that the parents are making. So if your ex, and I don't know if your ex works, but if she worked and lost her job, she could go back and ask for an increase of child support. If your ex gets an increase in income, she's probably not going to ask you about that because she's going to be worried about losing child support or having to pay more child support. So you have to just sort of be careful. But remember, please, everybody out there who is in Sean's shoes, this isn't about paying the parents, dad to mom, mom to dad. This is about the children. The children need income. They need the child support. We shouldn't be bickering about whether or not we have to pay. So I'm going to get on my soapbox and say, you know what? If you owe child support, pay it, and make sure that your children are being cared for. It's about your children. The Dailey Law Firm stands solidly behind children first, and so we're going to encourage Sean to do the right thing. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 866-66-LAWYER.